3 crazy facts about elephants. Did you know that elephants are the only mammals that can't jump? That's crazy, right? But it's to protect their massive weight. Even crazier, elephants communicate using seismic vibrations. They actually hear through their feet. They also have the longest pregnancy of any animal, a whopping 22 months. That's almost 2 years. These gentle giants also mourn their dead, showing deep emotional intelligence. From their unique communication to their extended pregnancies, elephants are full of surprises. Stay tuned to learn more crazy facts about the animal kingdom.